You sit down to study, all set to focus, but 5 minutes in, you're checking your DMs, scrolling through TikTok, maybe replying to a meme, and then, wait, what were you even working on? Sound familiar? Yeah, you're not alone. A recent study by the American Psychological Association found that 78% of young people feel constantly mentally drained from this endless loop. And no, your brain isn't broken, it's just completely overwhelmed. Researchers at the University of California also found that the average young person switches tasks every 47 seconds because of digital distractions. Every 47 seconds. That kind of chaos can cut your productivity by up to 40%. So if your mind's been feeling all over the place lately, trust me, it's not just you. It's the non-stop digital noise messing with your head. Ever wake up already feeling tired, like the day hasn't even started but you're already running on empty? You end up scrolling for hours without even realizing it, and somehow you're still stressed. The to-do list keeps growing, but your motivation, it's nowhere to be found. If that sounds like you, you're not alone. Many young people today are caught in a quiet struggle, digital burnout, attention overload, and that unsettling feeling that life is just slipping by while you're stuck staring at a screen. But here's the thing, it's not your fault, and you're not broken. And the best part, you can take control. Let's break it down. Why does this happen? What's really going on in your brain? Let's dive into the science behind it. Neuroscientists at UC Irvine found something pretty wild. Every time you switch tasks, your brain needs about 23 minutes to fully refocus. Now, here's the kicker. The average teen checks their phone over 100 times a day. This isn't just distraction, it's attention overload. Your brain stays stuck in stress mode, constantly pumping out cortisol, leaving you feeling wired yet exhausted. No wonder it's so hard to concentrate or feel truly rested. But here's the good news. You don't have to stay stuck in this cycle. Today, I'll share science-backed strategies to help you reclaim your focus and peace of mind. These simple yet powerful fixes will help you take back control of your time, attention, and mental energy, starting right now. MIT researchers uncovered something pretty amazing. Just by curating your notifications, you can actually cut your stress by 30%. Sounds simple, right? Here's how you can start tonight. Open your settings and get ruthless. Disable every notification that isn't essential, especially those random likes and updates that pull your focus away. Be merciless with it. Now, here comes the game changer. Keep only texts and calls from your inner circle. This creates a human-only communication zone where every ping actually matters. It's like adding a mental peace filter to your digital life. Every time your phone buzzes, it's something worth your attention. No distractions, just connection. Neuroscience researcher Cal Newport drops a truth bomb. Your environment influences your focus way more than willpower ever will. Here's how you can use this to your advantage. First, create your own focus zone, even if it's just a corner of your room. This trains your brain to link that space with deep, productive work. Next, set up a separate browser profile just for work. It's a simple barrier that keeps you from mindlessly jumping between tabs. Finally, put on noise-canceling headphones. They're not just about blocking noise. They're a visual cue to everyone, including yourself, that you're in do not disturb mode. These small changes come together to build what Newport calls attention architecture, making focus something that feels natural, not like a constant struggle. So now that your notifications are under control and you've carved out your deep work zone, let's bring in the rhythm that ties it all together. Researchers at Stanford found something powerful. Working in 25-minute focused blocks, followed by just 5-minute breaks, can actually double your productivity. Think of it as sprinting with purpose, not dragging through a marathon. Here's how to lock in your focus. Open up a basic timer app. Nothing fancy. Set it for 25 minutes, and during that time it's just you and the task. That's your focus force field. No distractions, no switching. And when the timer rings, that's your cue. Get up, move, stretch, take a guilt-free 5-minute reset. That's not just a break, it's your reward. Repeat the cycle. Let your brain associate deep focus with something that feels good, not draining. Because when structure meets intention, that's when your real productivity takes off. So let's recap real quick. First, cut the digital noise with a notification audit. Make sure every ping has a purpose. Then, build your deep work zone, a space and setup where focus comes naturally. And finally, ride the rhythm with the 25-minute method. Short, powerful sprints that train your brain to love deep focus. These aren't just hacks, they're habits that can change the way you work, think, and live. If this video helped you see your focus in a new light, do me a favor. Like the video, drop a comment to share your favorite strategy, and subscribe for more science-backed, life-upgrading content. This is just the beginning. Let's get smart. Let's grow together.